Hi, I'm Steve Sickles with Consolidated Label, here to explain flexographic printing. To start, flexographic presses are giant printing machines, superb at delivering high-end graphics printed at rapid speed and low cost. Capable of completing large orders very quickly, flexographic presses can print on almost any material, including paper, film, and metal foils. At Consolidated Label, we've expanded the capabilities of our flexographic presses for more complicated processes such as cold foiling, embossing, and silk screening. Flexographic presses are web-fed, meaning they are continuously fed materials from large rolls of material stock, and allows us to print an average of 350 feet per minute. That's 4 miles of material an hour. Flexography or flexo is a form of printing process which utilizes a flexible relief plate. Our plates are thin sheets of polymer material that have been coated with a photosensitive surface. The relief image is a positive mirrored, laser engraved printing plate of digital artwork which is wrapped around a print cylinder and installed into the press. The plate transfers the ink and prints onto the passing web material. Each desired color within the label requires its own individual plate. And with 10 ink stations, we're capable of up to 10 colors with every Flexo press run. What does 10 color capability mean? It's simple. Flexo can achieve virtually any color combination with the 4-color process of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black colored inks. But some artworks may demand more than one shade of any given color, such as mixes of magenta being used for pink, maroon, and crimson on a single project. These desired variations require using matching Pantone colors for a more accurate color match. We use a computerized ink matching system to create these Pantone colors, which allow us to print multiple variations of any certain color. With 10 ink stations possible, that's 10 different colors, and there's not much we can't handle. At Consolidated Label, we use water-based and ultraviolet curable inks, which do not dry in the air and create sharp colors using less ink. These differ from solvent inks, which are often found in personal inkjet printers and are harmful to the environment. After the UV ink is printed onto the material, the web travels through a UV lamp, which cures the ink. In other words, it turns liquid ink into solid matter. These inks reduce our setup time as they come press ready, lowering our production costs. After the labels have been printed, the last stop on the Flexo press is the cutting die. A cutting die is a cylindrical blade that shapes the label by cutting off all the excess material. Each die is custom ordered to match the label specifications made by the customer. At Consolidated Label, we utilize an entire fleet of flexographic presses to readily serve thousands of customers nationwide with high-quality product labels. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding flexographic printing. Should you be requiring labels for either long or short run, please contact our customer service department.